Hi, Brandon here for the Turbo Butt Cleaner number 2, the Clean Butt Specialist. Tired of trying to clean your brown starfish, expecting to come up empty-handed, only to be startled by a chocolate surprise? Feel like you're wiping away your hard-earned cash?
Introducing the Turbo Butt Cleaner number 2.
It cleans, it brightens, it eliminates odors all at the same time.
To install, simply remove your existing toilet seat and clean any skid marks. Turn off the water supply, flush the toilet to make sure there's no remaining water in the tank. Remove the supply line by turning counterclockwise. And don't even think about taking an upper decker while you're there. Install the included T-valve to the tank, but make sure to not over-tighten or it'll leak and look like you tinkled on the floor. Reinstall the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. Install the seat with the plastic bolts and the included universal adapters. Install the hose between the T-valve and the seat. Turn the water back on and you're ready to polish that rusty sheriff's badge.
Use it to get the cleanest pooper valve every time. Don't just get it clean, get it spectacularly clean.
Purchase and subscribe now.
Plumbers is not affiliated with any bidet seller or manufacturer. We may receive compensation by using affiliate links.